ladies, welcome to VeenaSkitchen.com. I am Veena and we have Sharanya here. We are going to show you how to make a chicken sandwich in a microwave. So let's get started. Chicken. So to make the chicken sandwich, we will be taking chicken. I am taking one chicken breast, and we will cook it. It's raw. See, it's raw. Yeah. So this is. So we will cook this chicken and cool it and shred it. Shred it. Yes. We will tear it into small pieces.
We will tear it into the small pieces.
Yeah, that's right. Okay. In a bowl, place the chicken. This is one chicken breast. So I will just place it on this and pour some oil. About 1 tablespoon of oil all over it, so that it will cook very nice. Coat it all over very nicely.
Chicken.
Now that it is coated well and nice, we will go ahead and cover it with a cling film. Cover it nicely with a cling film. You can cover it with any fish or anything. After covering it with a cling film, we will go ahead and microwave it on high power for about 3 minutes. 2.5 to 3 minutes should be fine. Okay. Alright, it's been now 3 minutes. Let us go ahead and take out our chicken and allow it to cool till it comes to a room temperature.
I want this.
Yeah, take this. Alright, now it's been about 2.5 minutes to 3 minutes, so I am taking it out and I will allow it to cool and let it come to a room temperature, and then we will shred it. Okay. In another mixing bowl, we will be adding some cabbage. If you have lettuce, you can use the lettuce also. I am going to use the cabbage. I'm going to use 1 or 2 leaves of the cabbage and shred them. Shred it nicely, tear it and put it in the bowl. And we'll chop some onion and put the mayonnaise and the mustard sauce into it, and then the chicken, the shredded chicken, and mix it well.
Jump up high. Listen to the music and jump up high.
Okay.
Know your head. Listen to the music. Know your head. Jump up high. Jump. I want to.
Okay, sit. Okay.
I want to sit.
Okay, sit here. Cross leg taking. Okay. Now in a mixing bowl, add about 1 sliced onion. These are finely sliced onion. About 2 leaves of shredded cabbage. I would rather make it
look at it.
Shredding it.
Cabbage. Shredded cabbage.
Alright, so I'll just put it in that. Can I it looks like a little too long, so I'm going to cut it again. Here, small, because I don't want the bites to come in the mouth.
Only roti and lady finger and rice or potato. Huh?
Yes. Add half teaspoon of pepper, or less than half teaspoon should be fine. I will be adding little less than half teaspoon of pepper, black pepper powder.
Black pepper powder.
And we have add about 5 to 6 tablespoons of mayonnaise. This is homemade mayonnaise. So
Homemade mayonnaise. Homemade mayonnaise.
add 1 teaspoon of mustard. This is a mustard sauce. Into it add a little salt. As per your taste, I'm adding about less than half teaspoon of salt, because sauce already have got enough salt in it. So
Mama,
mix. I'll give you a big spoon to mix with. And mix it well.
I'm mixing it. Alright. I'm mixing it all well, you know.
Oh, you're mixing it all well. Okay, now we have to put some shredded chicken into it, right? You have mixed it very nicely, baby.
I didn't mix it.
Yeah, you didn't mix it?
No.
You still want to mix it again and again? Okay, we have to make the shredded chicken now. So, sauce. Okay, now we will take this chicken, the cooked chicken, and remove the bones. It is actually cooked. Make it into thin pieces. So that's the last piece, and I have here chickens, good enough for Sharanya and for the sandwich. I've shredded it nicely, and into the bowl add the chicken pieces, and mix it and check for the seasoning. If you feel that the salt is a little less, you can add the salt. Oh, you got the mitten. You want to mix that? Oh, get it. Come here. She likes mixing a lot. Okay, so if you feel that the salt is a little less, you add a little more salt. That would be about less than 1 teaspoon of salt. Okay, now I am using the bread.
Water Veena. Hello Kitty, water Veena. Hello Kitty.
Show you, okay, baby? So I will cut the sides of the bread. So I think at a time 1 or 2 breads can go. So I will cut the sides of the bread. Okay, so now with these 2 slices of bread, what are you doing, baby?
I'm standing up.
Okay, now we'll apply some butter Now take one bread. This is the place where we have applied the butter. On a non-stick pan. On a non-stick pan, place the bread. This is the buttered area. Yes, I got it, baby. Yes. This is the buttered area, so I will place it like this. Spread the filling. And this is the other side of the buttered bread. So this is the buttered side, so I will place it on the top facing us. So the buttered bread side will be facing us. This is how I am going to place. I'm going to do for another set as well. Okay, after placing the sandwiches, we will go ahead and microwave it on high power for about 5 minutes. Alright, now our chicken sandwich is ready. It has become nice golden in color. I have kept it for about 5 minutes in the microwave. Let us go ahead and cut it. Become nice and crispy.
Is it ready?
Yes, it is ready. So it has become nice and crispy. Into our serving dish. There you go. Delicious chicken sandwich is now ready to be served. Well friends, that was chicken sandwich in a microwave. It was a very simple recipe. I hope you will try it out and do tell me if it turned out well. Also do check out my website www.veenaskitchen.com for more recipes. Thank you so much for watching veenaskitchen.com. Okay, so
what is this? Cabbage.